Welcome to Organic Polska cardboard solutions company. My name is Michael, and today I will introduce to you our flag product, which is IBC container out of corrugated cardboard, 500-liter capacity. Just next to me there is Piotrek, who will show you how to use this container, how to prepare it for filling, and we will go together through the whole process. At the moment Piotr is preparing the container. The first operation that he is doing is preparing the cardboard frame to enforce the container and to make it keep its shape for filling. Now Piotr is placing the container on the pallet. This part is very important. 500-liter container is to be used with the pallet, typical Euro pallets, any pallet strong enough. Next step, just to prevent displacement, is to strap it to the pallet, and Piotr will show you how to do it. At this stage we start with 2 straps, and then at the end 2 more straps across will follow. Okay, while Piotr is strapping the container to the pallet, I can say a few words about other containers that are available on our offer. IBC containers out of corrugated cardboard are available 1000 liter, 500 liter, which you see here, and 250 liters as well. Since we still have some time, I would like to point out that our IBC containers are made from double craft corrugated cardboard. We prepare special lamination to make it really robust to hold any liquid inside safe. Piotr is preparing the liner for placement and removes the protection of the valve. We are ready to put the liner inside the container. It starts with placing the mask in the hole. When the valve is properly placed, you will hear a click. At the moment Piotr almost finished to screw in the adapter, and now he will connect cam lock to the liner. As soon as the cam lock is fastened on the adapter, we are ready for filling of our precious liquid that we want to deliver to our customers. At the early stage of filling, Piotr will pull a little bit the corners, so the liner will unfold properly during the filling, and it's the only operation that we have to do with this type of container and the liner. Our container is already filled. We are ready to disconnect. We need to put the cover of the charge valve, and then we will start the last 2 operations of the packing before the dispatch. All the valves are safe and sound. Our product is also safe and sound. Now we put the lid on top of our container, and then we will put 2 extra straps to make our delivery safe. Our product in our container is ready for dispatch, and I can tell you a few words what's going to happen. This container, as it will arrive at the customer, then the key will be the discharge valve, which is here, and the liquid from the container will be discharged by our customer and used for their production.